Hi, this is Mercy with Max Reviews, and today I am reviewing the iron from Hamilton Beach. So this is one of the best irons, and it's really affordable, accessible. You can find it on Amazon, and it comes in different colors. I prefer this kind of color because it's everywhere in my room. So look at this, and then I really like the steamer feature they have, and it makes it easy, just works like as an actual steamer and everything. So I really love that part. And you can look at this, it is the longest, and you can still feel it, so you can see. So it keeps going, and then if you want to retract it, you just kind of press that button right there, and then you press the button, and then it'll come over by itself. So it's really good, and we have like a lot of kids around at the house, so they don't have to tamper with this, so which is fun and great. I really suggest that you guys get this iron. I have had it for more than a year right now, and I've never actually had an iron for that long, for whatever reason. But this is really great, and yes, please check it out on Amazon and let me know what you think.